Coming at you from the Magnum here. You guys probably already seen several videos on this. We just got a whole lot of other projects going. They're kind of getting left behind. We got this Cutlass here. Y'all probably seen it in the background on some shots. But it's been sitting entirely too long, so we need to get some work done on it. We got that. We got several other projects going. We just need to spread the love a little bit. Like I said, take a little break from the Magnum, but we'll be back on it. We got all kinds of plans for this thing, big plans for this thing coming in the future. But right now we got an old truck. It was my grandpa's truck, and now it's been my dad's truck for several years. My grandpa actually bought it new. It's a 1980 four-wheel drive Chevy, and we spun a rod bearing out playing around in the mud with it. So we're going to do kind of like a little budget build, you might say, just something that, you know, it's a truck, we use it, we work it. It's not by any means some kind of show truck or anything. We just gotta get it back going. We're probably going to do a little bit of performance stuff to it along the way, but basically just get it back on the road again.
So after pulling the motor out of the truck and stripping it down to every last little piece, we took the bare block to a local machine shop, and they assembled basically the lower rotating assembly for us.
We're here picking up the 350 block. They got plenty of engines here. Plenty of damn engines here. I don't know which one you need, but plenty to pick from. For the old 350.
Are these valve guides?
Gaskets. What's in here? Oh, we got some paint. Some orange paint, some black paint. What else? Some glass pack mufflers. What's this big box? Ah, would you look at that? Set of headers. Nice set of long tooth headers. Said he wanted it not too loud, so we figured headers and glass packs was the way to go. What else we got over here? We got our gaskets, some other bits and pieces. Some nice new plug wires. Oh, and one more thing. We're going to try out these hold downs for the valve covers. Old 350 small about warping valve covers, so we got us a set of these hold downs. We'll see if they work good. I've never tried them before. That's good for them. That's the way to do it. Break them in right.
Down to the floor real well.
Just got the block back. Man, it's looking pretty good. They went ahead, built the bottom in, went ahead and put the cam in it, timing chain. We just got done putting the oil pump on there, and think we're gonna go ahead and probably put the heads and intake on there before we paint it, because we're gonna do all that in black. I think we're gonna do a little two-tone black and orange. We're not gonna get too carried away, so I think we're probably gonna do black on the engine and maybe like orange on the valve covers and some other things.
Oh, I hope everything goes smooth.
Hey, if not, it's always a good video too. We got these headers. They came with the factory coating on them, but it's not high temp or nothing, so we're going to use this paint stripper and strip it off and paint them with some high temp paint. This stuff right here that comes on them, it'll burn off of there in no time and your headers will be all rusty, so hopefully we get a good coat of some good paint on there, get all that stuff off and put some good paint on them, and maybe they'll stay looking good for a little while. That's after 2 coats of the paint stripper. The first one pretty much got it all off. We went over them a second time on a couple little spots here and there. Got pretty much all of it off. We're gonna let them dry and then hit them with some high temp paint. Show y'all what I'm doing here. Gonna paint these bolt heads. They didn't come super clean. We ain't real worried about them, but we're gonna paint them black. Well, they'll look good for a minute anyway. Good thing to do is poke them down in some cardboard, and that way it'll hold them for you. Hold them heads up while you paint them. Give you a nice easy way to paint them. Couple coats of black on there. Some 40-year-old parts. Nowhere near new, but cleaned them up, painted them up. They're gonna look a lot better. We got our high temp paint going on the headers. They're coming out looking good. Probably put one more coat on them. taped up, masked off. Best it's gonna get. Gave her a good wipe down. And I think it's ready for paint. We're gonna do just like we always do. Start out with a real light coat, then a medium coat, and then last a good heavy coat. We'll see how it looks. That's 2 coats. It's a real light coat and then say a medium coat, medium to heavy coat. I went ahead and put over that. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with one more coat before I call it done, I think. And I was gonna mention these valve covers. I wrapped them in paper and they're just sitting on here. They ain't mounted on there. I just got them keeping overspray out of the heads there. But I think it's looking pretty good. Said one more coat and we'll check back in. Alright, that's 3 coats of black on there. Give it a few minutes to set up. Pull this thing apart and see what it looks like. Got all that black. We got the intake manifolds orange, valve covers will be orange. That's the water pump there. You saw us painting that already. And the pulleys. We got a little more unmasking to do, but man, I think that thing came out real good. 40-year-old motor. Find out. This will be that moment of truth. Open headers, here we go.